In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube channel to Google Ads. Connecting your YouTube channel to Google Ads is a simple way to unlock richer performance insights, enable better audience tools, and make your video campaigns much more effective. We'll walk through it from inside your Google Ads account so everything is clear and straightforward. Once you're in your account, look to the left sidebar and click on Tools. This is the area where Google Ads keeps many of the behind-the-scenes options for setup and management. From there, select Data Manager. Think of Data Manager as the hub for all the data sources and product connections that power your campaigns. It's where you can view, add, or manage links between Google Ads and products like YouTube. Inside Data Manager, navigate to the Connected Products tab. This tab shows the services you can integrate with your account. You'll see a list of featured products here, and this is where we're going to make the YouTube connection. Find YouTube in the list and click it. This brings up the YouTube integration page, which gives you quick access to start linking your channel. The layout may vary slightly depending on your account, but the process is consistent. Next, click Link Channel. This opens the linking flow. You'll now select your YouTube channel. If you have access to multiple channels, make sure you pick the one you actually publish to or plan to advertise from. If you don't see the channel you expect, double-check that your Google account has the proper permissions on that channel. After selecting your channel, configure the settings. These settings typically control what data and features are shared between YouTube and Google Ads. Common options include enabling video view and engagement metrics inside Google Ads, allowing audience creation based on channel interactions, and making your channel eligible for more seamless campaign setup. Choose the options that align with how you plan to measure and optimize your video ads. If you're unsure, you can start with the recommended defaults and change them later. When everything looks right, review and confirm. Take a moment to verify the channel name and the settings you chose. Then confirm the link. The connection usually activates quickly, but it can take a few minutes for data to start appearing. And there you go. Your YouTube channel is now linked to Google Ads. If you ever need to adjust settings or unlink, return to Data Manager and open Connected Products. That's all. Simple, powerful, and ready for better video campaign insights.